What is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. If you're using a Mia tool device, if you're using Redmi Note 9s, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max or Poco M2 Pro, from any of four devices you are using, you can install Pitch Black Custom Recovery right now. We are using Orange Fox Custom Recovery right now on my device, but yes, we're gonna install Pitch Black Custom Recovery, which the latest update is now available. And yes, if you want to install Pitch Black Custom Recovery, make sure you have any other custom recovery available. For example, I'm having Orange Fox Custom Recovery, and if you're having TWRP, if you're having LOS Recovery, or even if you are using Orange Fox Custom Recovery, you simply need to install this zip file. You'll be able to boot into Pitch Black Recovery project. So how you can install that, I've already shown you. The link for this file is already in the description. Let me just show you that how it will boot into Pitch Black Custom Recovery and how is the look in the Pitch Black Custom Recovery if there are some changes, because in the Pitch Black latest official custom recovery, it includes new UI, but the features still missing there, like the customization features are still missing. And let's see that if the customization options are still missing or not. We are just booted into Pitch Black Recovery project on our Mia tool device, Cortana, GRAM, Excalibur, and other device, you can say Joyous. All of these four devices are supported for this Pitch Black Custom Recovery. So we're just gonna decrypt our device right now, and here the same kind of interesting UI. It only includes the black theme, or you can say the dark theme, doesn't include any kind of light theming for now. I'm also waiting for that theme, but unfortunately we only have this theme available. Talking about the things and features you get here, for example, we have the terminal, which is actually quite helpful in some cases. The keys, the keyboard, everything seems to be very interesting and themed here. Talking about this thing, yes, as you can see, we are sorry, but it's coming soon. The themes are still coming soon, not there, and again we are waiting for this. Here you have some logs. If you want to check it out, some things in recovery, you have these options available. The other options includes reboot system, power off, reboot to recovery, reboot to bootloader, reboot to fast boot. All these options are still present. Some little bit of extra settings where includes OTA related settings. You can simply use the option to support MIUI incremental OTA, but I'll never recommend you to update via OTA if you're using a custom ROM, especially because it's not even recommended. It's not helpful. It's not actually good. Like that, we have other options about pbrp. We have the device name, device code name, and some little bit of extra contributors related options available there. Talking about the advanced options, yes, we have some advanced. We have the file manager options available there. If you want to do some things in your file manager with your files, we have the partition SD card, fixed context, and some basic features included there. Mount, you can simply mount the partition, system, vendor, product. We already know the features, the basic features which you get in a custom recovery, and same things you are getting in the Pitch Black Custom Recovery. Talking about some other settings which you are getting here, for example, we have the settings that is zip signature verification, bypass treble compatibility. We have the time zone related settings. We have the screen timeout brightness related settings, vibration related settings, and at last maybe we have the language related settings. All these settings you are getting in this Pitch Black Custom Recovery. These were the things I just want to let you know about this latest Pitch Black Custom Recovery official project for this Mia tool device. If you have any other devices, you can still install this official custom recovery from their official website. This is all from today's video. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.